Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. We just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 400 horsepower engine for our customer's 1993 Mustang GT. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. We have the 302 Ford roller lifter camshaft in there, double roller timing chain, correct timing cover for the Foxbody Mustang. Ground cable goes right there on the timing cover. Oil pressure extension on there. We have the proper reverse rotation water pump. We install all the proper studs for the power steering bracket, all the nuts on there, all set up, ready to go. Brand new balancer. Oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. The proper rear sump Foxbody Mustang oil pan, dipstick and tube on there. Aluminum cylinder heads on there. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Ford Racing valve covers. We have the MSD correct distributor in there. There's real nice blue Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there, all set. We installed the Holley Systemax polished upper and lower intake manifold. We supplied the brand new fuel injectors in there. The 30-pound injectors are in there. We have the back of the engine here, the PCV valve in there. We hook up all the lines on there. We have the crankcase ventilation filter in there. We have the vacuum line that goes to the vacuum tree on the back of the firewall. Everything's set up for the customer to make the installation real nice. We have the vacuum line for the fuel pressure regulator, the coolant hose that goes up to the spacer on the throttle body. We have the brand new BBK 70mm throttle body and the spacer. It's all set up. You have the ventilation line from the throttle body going to the valve cover here. Coolant hose where the heater pipe goes. We have also the vacuum line coming down here that'll go to the vapor canister system there. All set up, cut to length for the customer. Proper Ford Racing 90-degree thermostat housing. We have the thermostat in there, all set. So this is the way you get it. This is again this will fit the 86 to 93 Foxbody Mustang. Complete, ready to go. Beautiful engine. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.